on here. It's just the voice.
All right, that may
I'm
be.
not gonna-
Good afternoon, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your name to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there's no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around, or smoking of any kind, and please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. Happy New Year to everybody. I lied to you, Mr. Law. I'm gonna do Miss Little first because she's at work. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Kenyatta Little, case number SP 123-09891. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes.
Ms. Triplett, I need your appearance.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Ms. Little.
All right, we're going to dismiss the matter. Ms. Little has provided valid documentation of registration. The matter is going to be dismissed. All right, Ms. Little?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am.
So,
This
Happy
is the
New Year.
city of, you too. This is the City of Detroit versus Johnny Earl Law. This is case number SP 120-99611. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Law.
Okay, I told Mr. Law that he's charged with open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. That's a 2-point offense. I would fine him $240 for that. And there's no offer that would lessen that offense for him. So he elected wisely, I think, to set a trial date and see how it goes there. Mr. Law, you can only do better in this situation. You can't do any worse because if the police come and they find you guilty, you're going to be paying $240 as you would today. But you may do better. The police might not show up, or they might not have the necessary information to prove their case. Okay. So February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir.
February the 3rd, 2022 at 9. What do you say?
February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. 36th District Court.
Third, same Zoom number that you're on right now.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. I'll see you back on the 3rd.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Let's go with Mrs. Carol Renee Love. This is City of Detroit versus Carol Renee Love, case number SP 121-06691. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Ms. Love.
Okay, and I'll give Ms. Love her offer today. I didn't do that. We did discuss the nature of the offense, and Ms. Love, if you wanted to get this over with today, I'd fine you $240. I would dismiss immediately upon payment. However, I think Ms. Love is going to take the latter option of trial date as well and come back on February 3rd, 2022. I can let you speak with Mr. Triplett in the breakout room if you want to talk to her about it, but it's allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, Ms. Triplett. I think you have the
Okay.
docket.
I do, Judge.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Ms. Slap.
Go
Ms.
ahead.
Slap. Ms. Slappy up there, I suggest you put a shirt on, please.
Miss Slappy, get your so you're on the wrong phone. Hello? I just told you that. Hello?
All right, you are all right. Hold on, sir. Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to come back, Ms. Love, or you want to pay that $240?
I'll come back.
All right, Ms. Love. I would think that would be a wise decision. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Have a great day. I'll see you back February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Thank you. Blessings.
You as well. All right, Mr. Good. Let's see if he's good.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Jason Daniel Good. Case numbers SP 1196926, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 120133991. SP 1209825, counts 1 and count 3.
I think that's the wrong case. That's for Eric Good.
Jason Daniel Good, right?
No, that was for Eric. Mine is for Eric Good for driving with driving. This is an old case from 2008. Sorry, Your Honor. My case was supposed to be heard at 8:30. I didn't know how to get on here. This is my first time.
You got the wrong person.
Yeah, I got the wrong person. He's coming in all late.
I'm sorry about that, sir.
Oh, he's got an operating while intoxicated. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Eric Dewan Good, case number 053600711. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Good.
All right, well, no, I'm gonna set a trial date for Mr. Good, February 3rd. This is a 2008 case. The city's not gonna just dismiss the case because it's the age of the case in this matter, because it's alcohol related. So I'm gonna set a trial date, February 3rd, 2022. All right, unless you want to wait on an offer.
Say that one more time.
Unless you want to wait on an offer.
What you mean by an offer, Judge?
Offer to resolve it. So, you know, you plead to probably operating while visibly impaired.
Okay.
And that'll be a four-point offense. You're gonna have to do some time on probation and all that stuff.
Time on probation for that from 2008?
Yep.
And I ain't been in no trouble or nothing?
If you get found guilty of it, or if you plead to it, yes. If you want a trial date, you wait on the trial date, you may get it dismissed.
I'll wait on the trial date, sir.
February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, thank you. Sorry. Zoom, the same thing? The same thing, Zoom?
Way. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right, what about Mrs. India Avery Adams? What are you doing in here, ma'am?
I thought I had a court date today.
I don't think you're in the right room.
They told me that my judge was switched to you, and today
you are. I wonder why they did that.
they said I had one for today at 12:30. I mean 1:30, and tomorrow at 9:30. Today with Perkins and tomorrow with Holmes.
I wonder why they have switched her to me.
And I just had one just not too long ago, a couple weeks ago.
Well, you need to stop getting in trouble.
Yeah, I'm tired of getting these tickets. I ain't trying to get my license taken away for good.
Oh, let's see. I wonder why this.
I don't know. They kept giving me tickets for the same stuff, but never took the car.
The A, I know will go to home because she does the A out with that, but I don't know why.
But I sold the car though, just to let you know, Judge. And they gave me a court date for today. I got the citations at home. And I kept it in my notes. I had court today.
Should be at Judge Holmes for all these cases, shouldn't it?
Yeah, because she's got me. She was saying.
Oh, did you get these tickets in, no, you didn't get them in Southwest Detroit. You got these on the east side.
Yes.
That would go tomorrow and have all these cases.
Yeah, I think you should just go back to Holmes tomorrow, so you're not going to two different judges and all that. I don't know why they assigned these cases to me. I should only have the last name G, L, or O.
Okay, I don't want to mess
I
up
know
and miss
everybody in the
it.
city talk about how good of deals I give them, but unfortunately, I'm gonna send you back to Judge Holmes and get your deal, because I don't want you, you're really supposed to be assigned to Judge Holmes anyway. I don't know how you ended up on my docket with the last name of starting with A, and I don't want you having to bounce back and forth.
Okay, as long as I don't get in trouble with nothing, or they say I missed court, I don't mind.
No, we'll make sure that we'll let them know you were here.
Okay.
Let's see. You have scheduled for, see, listen, look at this. She's got Millicent Sherman tomorrow.
But they took it off her docket. No.
No, the one ticket is not taken off her docket.
Are you serious? You got 3 minutes?
Oh, no, okay, that's it. Scheduled for here. All right,
So I can just make today's date
tomorrow for home.
and I'll just do an arraignment date. No.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna check in tomorrow morning at Judge Holmes for all these tickets.
Okay, how many of them is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
Okay.
tickets.
Okay.
All right, so we'll get you. Do we need to put that on the record?
I thought it was.
No, all right, this
Okay.
is the city of Detroit versus India, Evan Avery Adams. Case numbers SP 1208736, counts 1, 2, and 3. As we set off the record, Miss Avery Adams, we're gonna, they got you all over the place in the system here, so we're gonna try to make it a little more efficient for you, so you don't have to go to 2 different judges. I only handle the last names G, L, or O. Unless the ticket comes out of Southwest Detroit, I handle all the tickets that come out of Southwest Detroit. But your ticket didn't, and your last name starts in an A, which you would normally be assigned to Judge Shannon Holmes. You have a court date tomorrow for a hearing on the 2 civil infractions, and we'll just put this matter over.
I just want to make it clear, she has to be there at 9:30.
Oh, 9:30.
Yes.
9:30 your time for Judge Holmes. Do you have the ID number, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, I already have it.
Okay, I think that's 133, right?
Yes, ma'am.
360-133-0000. So you
Yes.
go ahead and we'll make sure that this file gets over there to Judge Holmes tomorrow, and you be there at 9:30, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, good luck to you and have a safe day.
Okay, thank you. You too. Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year. All right, we have Brandon Gadsden. Miss Griffin, what are you doing up there?
You sit on mute, ma'am.
Oh, she was from a review this
I
morning.
know. She didn't.
I was in the wrong room and I just found the right room.
Did you do your community service, ma'am?
No, I was gonna ask for an extension because with the Christmas holiday, school was out. And then when I called the lady for community service, she said that the orientations was only on Friday and Friday was virtual learning. So then I asked her about the one that's different and the man said that he only had evening community service. Like he has a real job. So I was hoping I could get an extension to do my community service, because like now school is out till Wednesday, and then they still have virtual on Friday.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus
Karima.
Karima, I'm sorry. Karima Griffin, case number 17-377-492, counts 1, 2, and 3. Case number 17-377-493-1. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplet P number 69160 on behalf of Ms. Griffin.
All right. I gave Ms. Griffin an offer that I don't think that anybody can say was not a very good offer. She has a number of tickets, civil infractions and misdemeanors. I set aside the defaults. I did everything I could. I offered her 40 hours of community service, and I said that will clear up everything. And so I hear the representation that you made, Ms. Griffin. I know that I do see that I'm glad I don't have any kids anymore to have to deal with the back and forth school thing, and I know it can be tough. And I'm going to give you some more time. I'm going to give you till March the 7th. That's 60 more days. And I'm not going to, you're going to have to work it out.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
So 8:25 a.m., March 7th, 2022, get in contact with people. You know, do what you got to do to work this out.
Okay.
Babysitter or somebody to get things covered. That same babysitter that you call when you go hang at the club, call her up.
I wish I could go to the club.
Oh, that's right. I know that's right. All right. March
Thank
7th,
you.
2022 at 8:25 a.m.
Okay.
Review.
Thank you so much.
All right. Have a great day. Happy New Year to you.
You too. Thank you. You too.
Okay. Now we'll do Mr. All right. I don't have an offer in here for Mr. Gatson. So either he can wait on an offer or he can come back on February 3rd for a pretrial. City of Detroit versus Brandon LaCharles Gatson, case number SP 1207957, counts 1 and 2. Excuse me, SP 1208051, counts 1, 2, and 3. These tickets are in warrant status U4550, strike that, U45590118 and 16258825-1. And this ticket is in warrant status also 184392851. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplet on behalf of Mr. Gatson, Your Honor, move to set aside the warrants.
All right, we'll set aside the warrants. We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. Either I can wait on an offer, set him a trial date, or set him a pre-trial date. Or you can speak with him in a breakout room if you like. Speak with the attorney, Mr. Gatson. Mr. Gatson? You got to unmute yourself, sir.
You said, will I like to speak with the attorney?
You want to speak with the attorney?
Sure.
Good idea.
What? Oh, okay.
No offer. I can get one if
I understand.
you'll have to wait on one. You can set a trial date or set a pre-trial date.
I understand, Judge.
All right, who's on that phone? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Yeah, I got you. All right, I have you, Mr. Pronounce that last name for me again.
Longerell.
Longerell?
Yes.
Longerell. Good afternoon. All right, let's see what you have going on here.
I was in court there. Is it okay to speak or?
Well, I already kind of had a little bit of information from Ms. Nash.
Oh, okay.
That you said you thought you took care of this before.
Yeah, I was in court on April 15th of 2016, and she dropped the 2 tickets and said I had to pay the 1. I says, that's fine. I says, but I got court again tomorrow. She says, well, I'm going to eliminate these. And I find out I got 3 warrants for, I guess, the same thing.
2016, you got 1, 2, 3 tickets dismissed.
No, two of the 3 got dismissed.
Huh?
She dismissed 2 of the 3 tickets. I paid the 1.
I'm looking here and showing that you got 3 tickets dismissed. These are 3 U tickets. Two. They happen on 2/9/16. And
right.
Listen to me, sir.
I'm sorry.
You might want to get a pen out, an ink pen, and write this down.
Okay.
This ticket happened on 16/101 West 6 Mile Road. Failure to obtain a license secondhand auto, that was dismissed. The other ticket, 2/9/16, same address, used car record book violation. You got written up by Mr. Crawford. That's what you got. You're a victim of Mr. Crawford. Officer Crawford, who's now retired, he knew the book like the back of his hand, and he could recite the code book verbatim.
Yes, he could.
And it seemed like maybe you guys didn't have a real good relationship.
Actually, it wasn't bad.
Oh, well, he just decided he'd like to write that day because he wrote you for 6 different offenses. All right, let's take care of Mr. Gadsden. We're back on the record with Brandon Gadsden. What would you like to do, sir? I'll let you speak to a lawyer in the breakout room. Ms. Tripler, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak with Mr. Gaston. He did ask about some other matters he feels that he has in the court that are outstanding. I don't know if we can consolidate those, but we would be requesting. I'm sorry.
We'll definitely try.
Yeah, thank you, Judge. But he does want to schedule a pretrial.
All right, let's see. No, all I see is the matters that are before us. He's got 118 ticket that he let go to default. What we'll do is I'll get him back to the original cost of that ticket. He's got to give me a date where he can pay it. Now we have a city attorney in here. I'm going to give Mr. Gaston an offer right now. Well, let me get him an offer right now.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Attorney Triplett.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Let me put all of this stuff in a ROA. Got a ticket for pumping gas, tank, smoking a cigarette. Man. Don't even speak to it, sir. I hope it's not true, though. All right, keep in mind that tell you the topic on there, whether you set it aside, whether you incorporate that in your offer. Then that's up to you. All right, we'll get you that offer briefly. Okay, let's call this case. It's the city of Detroit versus Patrick.
Longueuil.
Longueuil. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
My apologies. Case
Not
number
at all.
1005716, B1005816, B1005916. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, I need that last name again. I'm sorry.
Longueuil.
Can you spell that?
Longueuil. Okay,
Longueuil. Your Honor, Regina Triplet. I noticed that. Yeah. Regina Triplet on behalf of Mr. Longueuil, my P number 69160.
All right, Mr. Longueuil has these tickets that date back to 2016. I do see in the record. Okay, the only issue with this, sir, in your representation of what you said, let me see, hold on. Is that the 3 tickets that were dismissed, those tickets were had on 2/9/16. You came to court on those tickets and they were dismissed on 6/9/17. All right, and looking at the ROAs here, these other 3 tickets were never adjudicated.
Huh.
So we'll set aside the warrants, and the city attorney is here now. He's got, it seems like he was in a business that sold vehicles, and he fell victim to Mr. Former Officer Crawford, which I know very well, and haven't seen him in a while, but I respect Officer Crawford.
He was a great guy.
Nevertheless, he has, and see, he got tickets from him and is saying he's a great guy. So that's
well, he was.
So Mr. Longueuil has 3 tickets, and it seems like he thought that these tickets should have been taken care of when he came to court that time. But apparently on the ROA, these are 2 separate incidents. Not to say that you're not right, Mr. Longueuil, because if you were coming in front of my court, I would have identified that on the 6/9 date, which it was in the system by then, and I would have taken care of it and made a consolidated offer for you. But I don't know what was done then. So what I can do now is the city attorney's here, but I can give you a trial date for February 3rd. We'll clear the warrants up. You come back February 3rd. I gotta think that this is gonna resolve itself. But unless you want to take an offer that's gonna require you to pay some money today, come back February 3rd and deal with it.
Okay, if I take the offer to pay some money today, am I allowed? What time are you open till? And I'm allowed to drive down there and pay it.
Well, first thing, why do you want to do that? Why don't you just come back February 3rd? Here.
I'm going to do whatever you say, Your Honor. I'm just going to go by what you say.
No, it's not what I say. You can talk to your lawyer about it, and you do what you guys come up with. I'm just here just giving you options.
Okay.
You take which one you want to take.
Okay, well, give me an offer.
I'll give you an offer. Speak to him, Miss Triplett.
I will.
All right. Joe, he's gonna be in the room. He's in the room.
Who was our prosecutor?
Goss, he's sitting here.
Oh, Goss is here. Okay, I have his number.
But you got 3 tickets from 2016 from a retired officer.
I got you. Explain.
I don't know.
Your Honor, was the first case you called from Mr. Longueuil, was it a V ticket? Did it start with V as well?
Yeah, all of them. I'll read them again.
Okay.
V 10005-716, V 10005-816, and V 10005-916.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Gaston, you have a driver's license, sir?
No, sir. That's what I'm trying to get back.
All right.
We're ready on Mr. Longueuil, Your Honor.
It doesn't even have me a way to pull him out of the main session. doesn't have a way for me to move him to the main session?
You know, I don't know the code to tell him, is it star? I don't know.
I'll just close the breakout room.
Okay.
Where are you in the process of getting that license? Do you have anything out in the other jurisdictions, Mr. Gadsden?
I'm trying to find out now, get it all cleared up.
Print his driver's license out.
I have no idea what it is.
So how are you trying to get it cleared up if you have no idea?
I thought you asked me if what was my driver's license number?
No. Any other jurisdictions do you have tickets?
Oh, I had a ticket in Sterling Heights and something in Hazel Park from some years ago. But then I got the letter from Secretary of State saying that they was gonna take away all the tickets that you had. So I started looking into it to see what all I had to get done. I know this was the only thing I had pending in Detroit. I had just got these tickets.
Let me see. All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Longwell. I'll give you an opportunity, sir, to speak with counsel in a breakout room. And counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking with my client, we're asking that the matters be scheduled for a bench trial.
Right. Is that correct, Mr. Longwell?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, February 3rd, 2022 at 9 a.m. I will see you back on that, sir.
Do I come to the court or do I call?
Nope, just call in like you're doing now.
Well, you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much. And Ms. Triplett, the same to you. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Mr. Lenuel. Take care. Be safe.
Thank you very much. We'll see you back on that day.
The 3rd. Yep. Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Nice guy.
Yeah, listen, he ain't no life. All right. So did we call Mr. Gadsden's cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I believe we did. All right. The offer for Mr. Gadsden is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I'll dismiss upon payment of $240. Pleading straight up to the U ticket. I'll dismiss upon payment of $240 and a no valid registration ticket for one of the civil infractions. That's going to be, I think, $145. Well, no, $105. That's what that is. So 240, 105. I'll waive any warrant costs, and you'll hold you responsible for any reinstatement fees. You can take that. You can, I don't know any reason why you would set a free trial now unless you're going to get a lawyer to fight it, or you can set it for trial date.
Hello?
Ms. Triplett, you got it?
Yes,
Hello,
Judge.
sir?
You said 240, 105?
240, 105, and he won't come, he'll come out with a no misdemeanor record from these cases of
Right, once upon payment.
Upon payment.
Got you. Thank you.
All right. So you want to speak to him again in the breakout room? All right, let me go put you in a breakout room, Mr. Yeah, join that room again, Mr. Gadsden.
All right.
All right, there's another Mr. Good. This is the Mr. Good we were looking for earlier. Brandon.
Yes,
Good.
sir. Sorry about that, sir. The
Jason,
index
sir.
card. Yes, sir. Sorry about that. I was late.
No reason to explain. Don't waste your words on an explanation. You hear? We're gonna take care of it.
Okay. All right
Did
then.
you? Yes, I got it.
Okay.
Jason did it. Here we go.
I have a question, not about the Zoom meeting, but about the process or procedure. Whoever I could talk to.
Good question. What's your question?
Yeah, this is about a ticket, but I had a question about referring about tickets being wiped out and you guys have to pay the reinstatement fee. I was trying to speak to someone before the court case about it, but no one's able to give me any
I
answers.
don't know what you're talking about there.
I'm sorry, sir.
You don't owe any reinstatement fees. Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Actually, I lost it. I have an appointment at Secretary of State on the 6th.
Is it valid?
No, sir. That's why I was trying to ask someone about who. Like, I was informed by Secretary of State that about the new thing, about something going on where they're canceling people's tickets and just have to pay a one-time reinstatement fee.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I just know that I can give you another date. It doesn't appear that these tickets should be affecting your driver's license. Let me see. Do we have some?
But yeah, they told me it's suspended because of the tickets.
All right, I see why you're suspended. So what I'm gonna do for this one ticket, I'm going to, let's call it. I'm gonna call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus, what's going on? Hold on a second.
Hey, your court clerk?
Yeah.
Is she here?
Yeah, she's here. I don't know where, she probably stepped out for a second.
You got an in-person here. I don't know if you want to adjourn it.
In person, let me see. Happy New Year to you. Who's this?
She's right outside.
Judge Sherman.
434. What's your last name? 437?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right, all right. So let's call it case. This is the city of Detroit versus Jason Daniel Good. Case number SP 1196926, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 120133911. SP 1209825, counts 1 and count 3. I put it in an ROA out there.
Oh, sorry, you're
That's
right.
all
I'm gonna do it right now.
what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna waive the late fees on this, and I'm gonna waive the reinstatement fee. I'm gonna set aside default.
I'm sorry. Is this for my case, sir?
Yes.
Okay. I don't quite sure understand. Can you explain a little bit more to me what's going on?
I'm gonna explain it to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You have you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tickets here, sir. One of which is a seatbelt ticket that went into default back in 7/8/2021, July 8th, 2021. That default is the one that suspended your license. What I did was I waived the reinstatement fee and I'm waiving the late fee to get you back to the cost of the original ticket. I have an offer here, but it only encompasses 3 tickets. So what I'm gonna do is, if this is the only thing that you need to take care of your driver's license, I'm going to allow you to come back on February 3rd, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, hold on, sir. Let me get a pen and paper so I can write this down real quick. Give me one. Okay, you said February 3rd at 9 a.m.
February 3rd at 8:30 a.m. for a pre-trial.
At 8:30 a.m. and will I log in using the same information I did for this one?
Yes.
The same the same numbers, code, everything?
Yes.
Okay, then, and where can I go to locate the price and the amount I have to pay for all my tickets so I can take that Secretary of State with me on Thursday.
I wouldn't pay anything. I would just go to the Secretary of State now. Run his driver's license, please. Mr. Jason Good.
Okay, then. And so then I should be able.
Wait probably 48 to 72 hours from today so that this reinstatement fee will clear through the Secretary of State. And then go to the Secretary of State. If this is the only thing that's holding their driver's license up, you should be able to get a license. And you should be able to come back in here with a driver's license on February 3rd. And hopefully insurance and hopefully a valid registration.
Okay. Well, sir, currently I don't have a vehicle right now, so I didn't plan on getting the registration.
Come back with a driver's license then.
Okay, then, so I won't have any insurance or registration on the 3rd because I don't have a car.
All right, so Ms. Triplett, Mr. Jason Good, because I thought he was here earlier.
Right.
But this is Mr. Jason Good. We had another Mr.
We had Eric Good. Eric Good,
yes. Eric Good earlier. He has. I'm waiting on the rest of his driving record to print out.
Okay.
But anyway, I see that his license was suspended. All the other tickets are pending that he has on the docket. But there's one seatbelt ticket that is suspended. And on the docket, it only has the 2 tickets. It's supposed to be 6 tickets.
Okay.
So the only ticket that's suspending his license is that seatbelt ticket. What I did was I waived the reinstatement fee and I waived the late fee. That gets, and I set aside the default for him.
Okay.
That gets him back to the original ticket. And I told him to come back in here on February 3rd with the valid driver's license. License cancellation. Oh, right.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
That ticket for no insurance and registration, how would that affect it if I don't have a car and I come back on the 3rd with no insurance registration, but I don't have a car to even have a point to get insurance registration?
Well, it's just because the ticket's already done. If you had insurance and registration at this time, I would consider that in the offer, and in the offer that we're going to get you. But they're saying that you didn't have insurance and registration at the time you got pulled over. I don't know if that's the case. I don't know if that's the case or not. So don't go telling on yourself. I'm just telling you to go get a driver's license and come back in here with the valid driver's license, and we'll deal with the rest of the stuff on that day.
Okay, not a problem, sir. And you say give it about 48 to 72 hours?
I would say give it 42 to 78 hours, yes.
Okay, then so hopefully Thursday everything works out good. I can just go to get licensed Thursday.
We'll set all these matters for a pre-trial, so you'll be in the same situation you are today, except on February 3rd, there should be an offer in the file, and we'll go from there. All right.
Okay, so February 3rd, 8:30. I can use the same number I used today to log into your courtroom.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right. Last but not least, Mr. Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to speak with the lawyer in the breakout room, sir. What does your client want to do?
He wants to avail himself of the offer, Your Honor, and if I could address the court before the court imposes sentence.
All right. Can you raise is that the case, sir? You want to take that offer?
Yes.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. You can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, sir, let me draw your attention back to, what is this? Is this the April the 8th, 2018? Let me see. In April the 8th, 2018, at around 2:05 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of 19030 Van Dyke at the Citgo gas station, sir, where you did you have an encounter at pump number 4? Did you have an encounter with the Detroit police on that day?
Yes, sir.
And were you pumping gas on that day, sir?
Yes, sir.
And were you pumping gas and smoking a cigarette?
Yes, sir.
So you're gonna blow up yourself and everybody around you, the whole gas station, huh?
That wasn't the intention.
I know it wasn't the intention, but you see what the result could have been, right?
Yes.
And all it needs is those fumes. You don't even have to have any gas poured on you. The fumes can light up. That's some dangerous stuff, sir.
Yes.
All right. Satisfied with that, counselor? You
Satisfied.
All right. Let's move on to let's move on this year, June the 2nd, 2021, at around 12 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Park Grove, sir. Did you have an occasion to be pulled over by the Detroit police on that day?
Yes.
And on that day, were you asked to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
My licenses are suspended.
All right. I'm gonna satisfy. You satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
For both of those offenses, I'm gonna fine you $240 each. The $240 for the U ticket and $240 for the driving while license suspended ticket. However, I will amend that driving while license suspended to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and I'll dismiss both the tickets upon payment of those $240 fines. As for the no registration, your client stipulates to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on that?
Yes, Your Honor, we stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the no valid registration certificate. It appears that you did a little bit better. That's gonna be $90 it has on here instead of the 105. So that's a little bit better. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, I'll waive any warrant fees. And I'll hold him responsible for any reinstatement fees. Okay, sir, so that's 240, 2 plus 240, that's 480, plus 90, that's 570. When can, and then waive warrant fees, pay reinstatement fee. When can you pay that 570?
Judge, I just want to make the court aware
Oh, yeah.
currently.
Go ahead.
Mr. Gassens currently has COVID, Your Honor, and is off of work. He is gainfully employed at Lapari Foods at the wholesale distributor as an order selector. He makes $20 an hour. So he's out now, Your Honor, but he said the monies, all he could come up with in 30 days, but he just needs some time, Your Honor, to get well. He has a temperature today, so can we just give him enough time to get well? Hopefully that's soon.
What about March the 7th?
Hey,
March 7th, Mr. Gaston?
I can do that.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Let me see. You put that failure to stop on there? Let me see if he put that failure to stop on there. I'm gonna do them one better. I'm gonna dismiss the failure to stop.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. All right, with that being said, March 7th, sir, I'm gonna set it for review at 8:25 a.m. If you have it paid, you don't have to show back up. If you don't have it paid, I need to see you on March 7th, 2022 at 8:25 a.m.
Okay.
All right, get well soon, sir, and
Thank you.
Happy New Year to you. Now, I don't know if I'll see you on March 7th or not.
Right. Hopefully you won't.
All right, very well, sir.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
All right, that'll do it.
All right, that's the wrap. Thank you, Judge.
No, thank you. Have a great day. All right, Ms. Williams Law.
You too, Judge.
I'll see you guys later.
See you for the community docket.
Yep. See you tomorrow.
Okay.